In this video, I will show you how to fix controller issues on EAFC 25. Open Steam and go to your library. Find EAFC 25. Here I am using GTA 5 as an example. Right click on the EAFC 25, then go to Properties. Navigate to Controller tab. Under Override for EAFC 25, click Disable Steam Input. Close the settings and restart the game to check if the issue is resolved. Now click on Steam at the top left corner and click on Settings. Scroll down to Controller in the left menu. Now just toggle off Enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers and PlayStation controllers and generic controllers. Close Steam settings and restart the game. Now open the EA app and go to Settings. Click on Application. Scroll down to In-Game Overlay and turn it off. Restart the EA app and launch the game again. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any controller issues on EAFC 25. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.